Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. Today we're going through Mandeville and we just want to share with you the lockdown. Right now we are at Western Union. This is the line currently at the shopping center and we actually got number 131. There was a lot of people there. So guys, we just want to let you know that this lockdown is a little bit crazy. We went up Main Street, Mandeville, and this is 8:15 early in the morning, and we were just looking around to see how the morning activities are going. People are very active, going about their business and ensuring that things are done within the hours that they have remaining. That is another Western Union line to the left. As you can see, a lot of people. Now, this is the town center. This is the center itself, and the taxis, they're active and ready to get things done. As we head down to Manchester Road, we're seeing a lot of people out in their numbers. Now guys, it's 10:54 a.m. and this is the traffic so far. Currently we're on Caledonia Road and you can see bumper to bumper currently, and the traffic it's getting thicker and thicker. That is a KFC line. The cars extended all the way to the top and on the outside of the road. So that's a KFC line there with a lot of cars. So we're just turning onto Main Street Road. So guys, you see the traffic building up. Now we're on our way trying to get into KFC because we needed to go and purchase some KFC, so it took a while for us to give in the go ahead so that we can turn. Finally. So this is the current situation here as we go ahead and purchase. So now it is 11:14 a.m. and we are in traffic. We're still on Caledonia Road. We're heading towards the hospital, the Mandeville Hospital direction, and as you can see, the traffic is almost bumper to bumper. We're trying our best to get onto Perth Road in Mandeville. So if you can see guys, the traffic extend all the way down, passing the hospital on the left. So guys, remember this is 11:24 a.m. and the lockdown is at 12 and we're still in traffic. I am trying to get to a supermarket that is on Manchester Road. So we're still here in the traffic, 11:34 a.m. and I am unable to move. So this is when I made the decision that no, I cannot stand into this traffic because it is going to make things difficult for me. So I made a decision to turn back and to try and take a shortcut to go on to Ward Avenue. So I was given the go-ahead to make the turn. Alright, so now I am heading to Ward Avenue. So right now guys, it is 11:42 a.m. and I still have not reached my destination. However, Ward Avenue does not have a lot of traffic and it still gives us the opportunity to cut out the traffic that was on Caledonia Road. So right now we're heading on to Perth Road so that we can gain access to the destination that we're going to go. Alright, so we made a turn on Manchester Road here, and what we're basically doing, we're going to stop at we're going to stop for a while. As you can see, people are still trying to purchase things. Right now we're back on Main Street, Mandeville. This is 12:45 p.m. This is actually after the curfew. Now, as you can see, the street is a little bit scanty. We see police out in their numbers, monitoring persons that they need to go home. Here we see more police officers. They're informing the taxi men to let them know that they need to get off the street right now. Business places are closing up quickly as some supermarkets, they still have customers on the inside. So they have to hurry to let people go. At the bus stops, you can see that persons are waiting on taxis. More policemen out in their numbers. The female driving the police car was informing all taximen that they need to go home now. They need to go home now. Here we have another taxi stand. A lot of taximen out here parked, waiting on customers, waiting on those who have been left back. And we're heading down Manchester Road. As you can see, down this side, it's a little bit scanty. You don't have traffic as usual that was there at 11:45. Now the traffic is less and a lot of people have gone home. So guys, I definitely want to thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, Guys, remember to support the channel. Subscribe. This is a street that we were stuck on. This is the street on Caledonia Road where we were unable to move on. Currently at 12:48, you can flow freely onto the road. So this is what it looks like at 12:48 p.m. So guys, I am heading home. Remember to continue to support the channel. Thank you for the support that you have been given, and thank you for watching the Easter lockdown here in Mandeville, Jamaica 2021. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more.